Hi there, folks. I'm your digital marketing cowboy. Just a second. Hi there, Ronnie.
Hi.
Great to hear from you, fella. Yeah, I just had a little question for you. Just a technical question, you know. I've been trying to upload a billboard to Facebook.
All right.
Yeah, you remember last time we had this billboard uploaded to YouTube?
Yes.
Yes, like this big billboard in front of the video. Yes. I can't seem to upload that.
Okay.
So I was thinking maybe you could help me out on that one.
Right, okie dokie.
Great fella, thanks. Thank you very much.
All right, sure, see you later.
I love that accent, don't you? Right, okay guys, so the problem now is that DMC is trying to actually upload a thumbnail. He calls it a billboard, but it's actually called a thumbnail. I think a billboard is kind of much better name, ain't it? So it is very important to have a good thumbnail. If you don't have a good thumbnail, people are not going to click on it. And if they don't click on it, they won't see your video. So make a good thumbnail. Right guys, so to solve this little problem, we're going to have to do some real major hacking. Alright, a little bit like the Matrix, you know, when Neo like wakes up in that bath and looks around and suddenly sees that he's not been living a real life. Sorry. So the thing is that Facebook always selects these frames for you, but we don't want that. We want total control, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to dive into the video editing software and we're going to sneakily add some frames on the end. Let's get our hands out of the pockets and dive onto the computer. Okay guys, so here we are now in the video editing software, and most software is usually the same. You have a timeline down here, you have a display of what's in the timeline, and you have a location where you have your little clips, then you can drag them and throw them over into the timeline. So this is the end of my video, and at the end of my video I have a bit of black, and then after a while, bam, there's my thumbnail. So the great thing is when people have watched the video, it's okay, they can click away, it doesn't matter. We actually only have this piece of thumbnail here to be able to use that in Facebook. So I usually create all my thumbnails in the video editor. So as you can see, I have a couple of layers here. So this is the top layer, that's the text at the bottom there, and then we have DMC, then we have myself there in the back, and then we have the text. So as a little background, I use the porch. So we have the porch there, text in the back, that's me up front, DMC, and we have the other text. So this is layered up. A really nice thumbnail, I think. So the important thing of a thumbnail is to grab the attention. So don't make your text too small. So of course you can also get an external image and throw that into your timeline. So let's get rid of that. So here we have another image, a thumbnail I've created outside of the editor. Throw that in there, and there it is on the timeline. So now let's go over to Facebook, right? Okay, so here we are at Facebook. We go over to the clip. Click on the click to enlarge, there we go. Go to the little dots here in the corner, select edit video. So here we have the thumbnails again, right? And you see this one is selected. Now we keep on paging through here till we find the thumbnail that we have created. There it is. Alright, so we go down here, click on save. Okie dokie guys. Okay DMC, back to you, bye.
Hey Ronnie, thank you very much, fella. You're doing a great job. Well, folks, thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.